Hello, everyone. My name is Dewan D. Smith, and after looking at the performance inventory, I would have to say the areas that I'm confident in would be composing music and this class. The areas that I think I need improvement in would be my study habits and learning how to read sheet music. Um, the challenges I face and how I plan to deal with them would be working my full time job and trying to complete this course at the same time. I would have to find a better way to use my time wisely in order to complete this course. Um, I plan to practice in the morning time. I work 3 to 12 midnight, so between 8 o'clock in the morning and maybe 10 o'clock would be my time to focus on my study habits and doing things that I need to do to succeed in this class and to learn the material as well. What I'm willing to change is maybe focusing more on my work and study habits and completing tasks early than the way I do now. That's pretty much it. And thanks for listening. Thank you.